Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making cherry blossom soap. This fragrance oil is from Be Scented and it is a dupe of the Japanese cherry blossom from Bath & Body Works. The color that I'm using here is the rosebud mica from Be Scented. And then this one is the hot pink mica from Brambleberry. And I'm just mixing in the fragrance with the mica here and the soap batter, just mixing everything all together. And then this is the titanium dioxide, the oil soluble titanium dioxide. And this mold that I'm using here is just a wood mold, also from Be Scented. It is lined with freezer paper. I don't think they sell the wooden molds anymore. I think they just sell silicone now, but I could be wrong about that. But I've had this mold for quite a while. Great mold. And this is the 5-pound tall skinny is the size of it. Now this soap batter did thicken up on me quite fast. It's probably for two reasons, because the fragrance oil is a floral. Also, initially I mixed it a little bit too long with my stick blender. I usually just take my soap batter up to a light trace. This one ended up being more of a medium trace by the time I was done with it. Got a little heavy-handed with the stick blender on this one. Giving everything a tap there just to get the air bubbles out. And I've got my favorite spoon there just to give it a mix. Give it a swirl. Now I was going to do like the figure 8 swirl is what I call it on top here, but I didn't save enough of this hot pink color. So then we're just gonna pivot and just slap everything on the top and do the messy swirl with the skewer. And we'll give that a mist with the rubbing alcohol. And here I'm just cutting this into bars. I did already cut a few bars on that just because I was curious to see what it looked like. And if you wouldn't mind, go ahead and pamper that like button, show it a little love. I do greatly appreciate it. And take some time to pamper your inner goddess today. Remember, self-care is important for every her, him, and they. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye.